chết ra. Khuy sao cầm tắt cái này.
Wow.
Cam là.
Wow.
Bà số. Nó cá bà hồ. Chị, cái bà đi.
Sao chưa à? Sao chưa à? Sao chưa à?
Đi bà số thầu này. Bà số thầu này. Cứ rồi. Nghe sáng được toàn là. Ê, bà số thầu này. Cái chiều. Bà số, mama này, bà số chiều này. Stop sai. Bà số chiều này.
I won't be able to get out though. No. I don't know if I'll drive around it. Oh my. Oi. Oh, stupid bitch. Oh, that was close. Did you hit him?
Vegetable oil.
Yeah, put oil on it. You spread oil. Bam! What the fuck? Just
They
saw
stop and
that.
give them their.
He turned off. No,
Love is the world till my day is done. Vindication field is all revealed, and the earth and water and fire are one.
Dimes Wary from Pimlico in London had been planning to line the plastic weapon with a steel barrel in order to make it capable of live firing. The 26-year-old told officers the components were part of a university project. The LBC Markets report, the FTSE 100 closed down 39 at 74.03. The pound buys $1.25 and €1.12. LBC weather, showers clearing over eastern and southeast England. Some lighter showers continuing in Wales, Scotland.
Marketplace is supported by Progressive. Progressive Commercial Insurance protects small businesses with customizable coverage options as unique as your business.
Traffic on Power 105.1.
Hi, this is Dan Patrick, and here's what's trending. Yankees have a 2-2 tie by scoring twice in the ninth. They beat Tampa Bay. It's the Yanks' 50th win of the season. Mets also won, beating the Marlins. David Peterson and 3 relievers combined on the shutout. The Stanley Cup Finals are getting more interesting as the Lightning fight.
Close over there. Alright, I got some GoPro footage right there. That's going on YouTube.